friends, what do we have today? I need your help to put the missing shapes on the right place. And look, today we are at a farm. We have a barn and some animals. Do you know the name of animals that live on a farm? We have a pig right here, oink oink, a cow, and a horse, neigh. Let's start looking for a pig. Where's the pig? Is this one? Uh-oh. Where's the pig? Pig. No. Is this one? Uh-oh. Oh, right here. A pig. Let's put it in on our puzzle. Now, let's look for a cow. Where is the cow? No. Oh, right here. Do you know what the sound the cows make? Moo! Moo! Let's put it in. And now we need to find the horse. Neigh! Oh, right here. Let's put on the horse. Horse. Now let's look for chicken. Where's chicken? Oh, right here. Cluck, 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 cluck. What's that sound? It's a chicken. Let's put it in the right place. Put it in. Now we need to find the duck. Where's duck? No. Oh, here. A duck. Now we need to find the cat. Meow. Oh. Meow. Meow. It's the cat. Let's put it in. And our last shape is a sheep. Where's the sheep? Right here. What sounds the sheep does? Bah, bah. Let's put it in. We did it! Thank you for helping me today. See you next video. Bye!